Dear student, in this video we will learn triangle and its property. Unit 8. First we introduce triangle. What is triangle? Triangle, a closed figure bounded by three line segment is called triangle. Triangle has three sides and three vertex, three angles. Triangle has three sides, three angle and three vertex. Suppose here ABC be a triangle, therefore side क्या होगा AB, BC and AC. Angle, how many angle are there? Three angle are there. Angle ABC, angle ACB and angle BAC. It means that is triangle has six part, three angle and three sides. This is known as part of triangle. Now isosceles triangle. Triangle in which two sides are equal in length are called isosceles triangle. Triangle in which two sides are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. Triangle in which two sides are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. जब किसी ट्रायंगल का दो साइड बराबर होता है तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सपोज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल नेम एज ट्रायंगल ABC. These two sides are equal, AB and AC are equal. If in isosceles triangle AB and AC are equal, then the side other than the equal side is called base of triangle. These two angles are called base angle. This is base angle and this angle is also base angle. This angle, the angle opposite to the base is called vertical angle. Angle opposite to the base is called vertical angle. Is it clear to everyone? So now property of an isosceles triangle. Properties of isosceles. Properties of isosceles triangle. First property, if in a triangle two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to equal side, then the angles opposite to these sides are also equal. Suppose here triangle ABC, if AB is equal to AC, this implies ये साइड AB है और AB और AC क्या है, इक्वल है, तो AB का अपोजिट एंगल दैट इज एंगल C and opposite angle of AC that is angle B. This implies angle C is equal to angle B. Second property, if in a triangle, if in a triangle, if in a triangle two angles are equal, two angles are equal, then the side opposite to these angles are equal in length. If angle B is equal to angle C, this implies angle B, the side opposite to angle B that is AC, and the side opposite to angle C that is AB. AC is equal to AB. This is the property. It means if two sides are equal, then angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and if two angles are equal, then side opposite to equal angle are equal. Now exterior angle of a triangle. Now exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose if one side of a triangle is produced and the angle made outside of the triangle is known as exterior angle. Suppose this is the triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, and if side BC extend to X, then this angle, then angle made to the outside of triangle by producing one side of a triangle is known as exterior angle. So this angle, angle ACX, is the exterior angle of a triangle ABC, exterior angle of triangle ABC at point C. Now this angle is called interior adjacent angle. This is angle ACB is the interior adjacent angle. ये दोनों तो adjacent है, but this angle is exterior and this angle is interior. So this angle is known as interior adjacent angle. Angle ACB is the interior adjacent angle at vertex C. Now these two angles are known as opposite interior angle. These two angles are known as opposite interior angle. Angle A and angle B are called the interior opposite angles corresponding to exterior angle ACX. देखो ये जो एक्सटीरियर है इसका अपोजिट इंटीरियर ये दोनों एंगल है, एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर नोन एज अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ द रिलेशन बिटवीन एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड इंटीरियर एंगल. रिलेशन बिटवीन exterior angle, relation between exterior angle and interior opposite angle and interior opposite angle. Relation between exterior and interior opposite angles. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, A, B, C, and this is X. This angle is called exterior angle, and these two angles are called opposite interior angle of corresponding to vertex C. In a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle, sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. Here angle A plus angle B, these two angles are opposite interior angle, is equal to angle ACX. Note, क्या नोट में होगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल is greater than either of the two interior opposite angle, either of the two interior opposite angle, interior opposite angles. It means exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of two interior opposite angles. जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता है वो दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल से क्या होता है? बड़ा होता है, ग्रेटर होता है, बिकॉज द सम ऑफ अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन बोथ द अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. Okay, today's homework you have to learn all the basic term, relationship between exterior and interior angle, the properties of isosceles triangle. Okay, so thank you.